This video will walk you through how to replace a broken pressure gauge on your Fieldpiece analog gauge set. The procedure is identical for both the high side and low side gauges. Just follow the same steps regardless of which gauge you're replacing. You'll need your replacement gauge, a 14mm wrench, medium strength thread locker, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Place your Fieldpiece analog gauge set face down on a clean, flat work surface. This position gives you full access to the back panel and all the mounting screws. There are 8 screws in total. Remove all 8 and place them in your parts tray so nothing gets lost. The 2 bottom screws each have a washer. Be sure to pull those off and keep them together with their screws. With the screws removed, you can now take off the back casing. Lift the back casing straight up and off the unit and set it aside. Take a moment to locate the grounding wire. It runs from the casing to the manifold block and is secured by a small silver screw. Loosen and remove the silver grounding screw that holds the grounding wire to the manifold block. Once the grounding wire is free, you can remove the manifold assembly from the casing. Place your hands on the gauges and gently slide the entire manifold assembly out of the front casing. It should come out smoothly without any excessive force. Now it's time to remove the broken gauge. Using your 14mm wrench, unscrew the gauge from the manifold. Turn it counterclockwise until it is fully free and set the old gauge aside. Before installing the new gauge, apply a small amount of medium strength thread locker to the gauge threads. You don't need a lot here, just a light, even coating. Thread your replacement gauge into the manifold by hand first to make sure it catches cleanly. Then use your 14mm wrench to snug it down. Don't over-torque it, just make sure it's firm and fully seated. With the new gauge installed, you're ready to reassemble. Since you're reusing the original casing, set the manifold assembly back into the front casing and slide it in until it seats cleanly and pops into place. Take the back casing and locate the grounding screw hole. Thread the grounding screw through the eyelet on the grounding wire, then thread it into the back casing. Tighten the screw until it is snug and fully seated to ensure a solid ground connection. Guide the wire so it runs between the 2 gauges in the channel between the gauges. You want to avoid pinching the wire along the edge of the casing, as a crimped wire can compromise the ground connection when the back panel is installed. Install all 8 screws. Remember that the 2 bottom screws use washers. Install the washers first, then thread in the bottom screws. Flip the gauge set over and verify the new gauge is seated cleanly and flush in the housing. Next, rotate the pressure marker dials to confirm they turn smoothly with no binding. This indicates the gauges are clocked correctly. Your Fieldpiece analog gauge set is now back in service with a fresh gauge installed. Thank you for watching.